Hi Sanvi.
I
What you will tell us today?
I tell today animal sounds.
Okay. Then tell me cow,
Moo,
goat,
bay,
sheep,
ba, 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 ba.
cat,
Me, meow, 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 meow.
dog,
Oof, 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 oof.
pig,
Oink, 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 oink.
horse,
Nee, 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 nee.
crow,
Ka, ka, ka.
duck,
Quack.
hen,
Clock, clock.
dolphin,
Click, click.
tiger,
Roar,
lion,
roar.
bear,
Growl.
elephant,
Trumpet.
snake,
Hiss, hiss, hiss.
hippo,
Grunt, grunt.
rooster,
Cockle-a-doo-doo-doo. Cockle-a-doo-doo-doo.
a bird, and monkey.
Kiki. Kiki.
No. Oh. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye-bye.